Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to add extensions to the Opera GX browser. Extensions are small software programs that can add functionality to your browser. There are thousands of extensions available for Opera GX, and they can be used for a variety of purposes, such as blocking ads, improving productivity, and enhancing security. Click on the Extensions icon on the left sidebar. Click on the Get More Extensions button. Browse through the extensions or search for a specific one using the search bar. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click on the Add Extension button. Extension is installed. You can manage your extensions enable or disable. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Give it a like up and subscribe to my channel for more content.